Let's bring in Disney shareholders now. Brenda Vingiello of Sandhill Global Advisors, Patti Brennan of Key Financial. It's great to have you both with us. Brenda is a CNBC contributor. So your first reaction here, Brenda, the street's trying to figure out which way it wants to go, and it may not know until the call in some 20 minutes or so. But what do you think so far?
Fair enough, but I think if we look at the quarter, things were actually a little bit better than we thought they might be. One, we got confirmation that the last quarter, their fiscal Q4, was potentially the peak in loss for the streaming business, which is great news that things are moving in the right direction there. Secondarily, we got confirmation that they actually had more subscribers than anticipated, even in an environment where they raised price for the traditional product. We'd like to hear more about what the initial impact was from the ad-supported option being introduced. But I do think the conference call this time around is going to be really important. Everybody wants to hear from Bob Iger, hear about what his vision is for profitability of the company, and certainly about reinvigorating their creative vision. But we really own this stock because it's unmatched anywhere else, and think that ultimately Wall Street will reward the company for that over time.
Sure. So Patti, what's your reaction here?
I think, Scott, this is a story about the consumer. You know, household debt is at 50-year lows. The consumer, we all love entertainment, and the parks division certainly showed that, as has subscriber base, that did not go down as expected in spite of the $3 per month increase in costs. You know, it doesn't sound like much. That's a 37% increase just on the existing subscriber base. And the fact that they didn't lose anybody is really telling to me.
But you do have to be concerned, no, about the, let's call it the path to profitability for their direct-to-consumer business. Isn't it it's all about that at this point, is it not?
No question about it. But as we're seeing, Disney has pricing power. You know, it's very interesting when you talk to people on the street, young families. I was speaking with a young dad the other day, and he said, you know, I don't really like the fact that I have to spend $29 for a movie instead of $19, but I do it. So they do have that pricing power, and the question is how they're going to use it. They are going to restructure, no question about it. You know, what did Bob Iger do the first day at work? That first day, 6:30 a.m., he ousted the head of streaming. So he's not wasting time. They are going to refigure this business model. They are returning to profitability one way or the other. This is his legacy.